Good evening, class.
Good evening, sir.
How is your study going on?
My study going on well, sir.
Class, today we have very interesting session. Okay, in this session, I will give you a topic and you have to speak about the topic. Okay, so who wants to come? Okay, come. You also want to come? Okay, come. Yes, so in this session, I will give you a topic and you have to speak about the topic. Okay, so topic is we should eat junk food or not. Okay, we should eat junk food or not. Because nowadays, you know very well, there is a great craze of junk food among the youngsters, especially for the children. So, do you think we should eat junk food or not? So, what do you think? We should eat junk food or not?
Yes, of course, we should eat junk food.
Okay, so Fatima is in the favor of we should eat junk food. And what do you think?
Sir, we should not eat junk food.
Okay, so Sachin is in the favor of we should not eat junk food. Okay, so you have to speak one by one. Okay, so all the best.
Thank you, sir. Hello everyone, good evening to all of you. I'm Fatima and today I'm going to tell about we should eat junk food or not. I'm in the favor of yes, we should eat junk food because we cannot eat every time healthy and simple food. Sometimes it's be boring, and we should also eat junk food. It's your favorite food can be change your mood and like. If you are craving for something, you don't eat those things that you like because they are junk food, and always control yourself. So sometimes it's better to do whatever you want. We should eat junk food. Yes, I agree that healthy food is good for our health, but junk food is also good for our like what our heart wants and what we are craving for. And so I think that we should eat junk food, but within a limit. Because we cannot eat healthy food all the time. Sometimes we have to eat junk food also, enjoy our life and do whatever we want. So this is all about we should eat junk food.
Good evening, everyone. The sir gave us the topic which we should eat junk food or not. So I am not in the favor that we should eat junk food because the food. First of all, we will talk about what is meaning of the junk food. So, the food that looks delicious and smells good and tastes good, but it also harms our body internally and physically and outerly. So that's come in a junk food category. The junk food is not good for everyone because nowadays people have a such craze of about eating and consuming that kind of packed food and the street food, like there are some examples are pizzas, momos, samosas and some other fried food, and eating that kind of things that damage our concentration and it downgrades our concentration power in studies. As we know all about that, the junk food is not good for our health. Nowadays people are consuming in a very addictive method, in a addictive way. You know, people are, when they are feeling hungry and any kind of craving they have, so they just go for the unhealthy packed food and fried food. So it may be affect their internal organs like our stomach and making some kind of anything diseases which can be dangerous for our health, and it can also harm our in future. So I think junk food is not a good option for everyone. As we know, we can go for that another option, like if we have some craving for eating something delicious and good, so we can make it and try it in our house, and by that kind of things we use and good things like adding pure substances like this kind of method and technology and techniques we are applying on to make it that. Like if we are craving for making pizza, so we can make it in a healthy way in our hands, by our hands. So it can be a good option for it, and we can make an alternative use like for the alternative way. So like if we have a craving for something, like we can purchase it from the outside, so we can buy some materials which we require to make it that, and we can also make it in the healthy way. Like if we have a craving for golgappas and pizzas and burgers, so we can do something which can be an alternative or it, and it can be it should be a healthier option for us. So I think eating junk food is not good for us, so we have to take care of our eating, like whenever we have any kind of craving and feel hunger for any food. That's it. My point. I was to say that about the junk food.